Hello everyone, welcome to a Paper Flourish craft video. Quick one today. I just wanted to show you a new kit we have at Paper Flourish. It's called the Cosmos Infinity Cards, and you will find this for sale not only in store but also online, paperflourish.com.au. All of our kits are under My Happy Place. So this one's just got up now. You'll also find it in the new products section as well at the moment. So I wanted to give you a close look at the cards from the kit. Beautiful papers, and great that you not only get in the kit, you get the papers, you also get the die cuts, which you can see some of them here. This is one of the cards. These are die cuts. You get the sentiments, which are already cut and stamped for you, so they're ready to go onto the card. And of course you get all your card stock as well to make up the cards. Altogether you make 10 cards out of this kit. So that was the first card. This one I think is my favourite. I love the bear. I think the bear's adorable. And then this gorgeous one. So the kit really has cards for everybody in it. It'll be family, friends, but these cards are going to sort of work for everybody. But aren't the die cuts and the animals beautiful? In it, there's a cute little frog, a sweet little bird there as well. Standard size cards, they'll fit into your envelopes, your standard envelopes. There we go. Altogether there's 6 this size, and then there's some square ones as well, which will fit in your, I think the square card, let me just measure it and check. The square ones are 5 1/4 inch square, so that's one of them there. And this one's rather beautiful with the owl on it. And one more. I'm not sure if that's a hawk or an eagle. Not sure, but it's rather beautiful. But all the background papers, everything are just stunning in this kit. So that's available now, paperflourish.com.au. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye.